it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. Yeah, about to see it shine, 'cause we're golden.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Finally, not an Apple video. Hey, yeah. So today we're gonna take a look at Residential Remix 6.0 based on Android 8.1 Oreo on a Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini. So yeah, this phone comes out in 2013, I think. If you guys check my old videos, I do have the normal size S4, but that phone is broken, so I recently just bought this phone, the S4 Mini, for installing custom ROM and stuff, because I do sold my K5 Plus and I kinda miss playing with custom ROM, so that's why I got this phone. Now this ROM is launched into the 26th April of 2018, so it doesn't get the the Google policy and all that. The Google, what is it? I forgot what's called it. I will put the text right there. Basically, newer custom ROM, for some reason, I think it's built before in May or something. I can't forget already. But it basically, you need to register your IMEI in order to use the Play Store, which is kind of a little bit weird. It's kind of seems like it's kind of the same, just like you install Windows, but you have not activated, so you have to activate it like that. It's kind of complicated. So if you have a newer ROM than May 2018, I think you have to register it, or else I can show you a trick. By first you find the old version of the ROM that built before May 2018, and then you install the gaps. Once you install the gaps, you install the new version of ROM on top of that ROM, and then you will get Google Play and Google Play services working without sacrificing, because what will show up if you have the new version of ROM that built after April. You have not registered it. So yeah, use my trick, it will work. But yeah, let's get back to the S4 Mini here. So you can see here, this S4 Mini, it is running Android 8.1. You can see there 8.1 Oreo on April 5th patch. So again, remember here, before you have to install a ROM before April patch, otherwise you have to register and all. It's kind of complicated, alright? So this quick little story here. This phone came in 2013 and its last OS is 4.4.2, and thanks to us always, the custom ROM world, we always can get the latest of the greatest. So what features that we get in Residential Remix? As usual, we get the custom configuration feature, so you guys can actually customize the status bar. Let's see, I can add a clock and date in the middle. You can see right there, I can change the time. I can change the date also. I can show the date. Oh, we got so much notifications suddenly. Okay, sorry about that. I got too much notifications, so I just put this one on the line. We can show the date as well, but you can see here, every ROM, for some reason, this center has really been fixed, so we're gonna put it back to the right. We can, as usual, put the notification ticker. So basically a lot of customization as Residential Remix usual. I will link a video of where I installed this Android Sub 1.2 Residential Remix on my K5 Plus. Basically same customization feature, but on Nougat. And yeah, performance on this ROM is great, but cameras, I kind of see the camera is kind of sometimes crashing, sometimes it's working. Okay, as you can see here, sometimes it does work, but sometimes it might crash. So for example, when you need to take that emergency picture, it will kind of crash, so just gonna be aware of that. But overall, this is a good daily ROM, alright? It's a good daily ROM, everything works, battery life is great. Let's see here, battery life is great based on like S4 Mini standards. The S4 Mini, how much the S4 Mini battery is? It's here, removable battery still. The battery, oh, you can say in here, I think it's like 1000 something, I don't know, I forgot. But yeah, it's a pretty good battery, right? Plus the DOS features and all that, and yeah, it's pretty cool. By the way, you can, for some reason, this you cannot change the button yet. So example, if you guys know, you have to long press here to recent apps. You cannot set it yet on the button section. For some reason that does not work, so I have to press and hold the menu button, and then it will come up the recent menu. So there's that. And also, if you guys want root, you can, as always, root with Magisk. Alright, you can see here, this is what the latest version. We're gonna skip that. Let's see, we're gonna update Magisk. Let's click allow. We're gonna download the latest version of Magisk right there. So as you know, you can use Magisk modules. You can go ahead and add some modules by yourself, or I think there's a dedicated section. Oh, there you go, download. Okay. But also this is new in another 8.1 here, so basically specific apps can only install APK files, so you have to allow it from specific applications and then you can install APK. Also this bar is moving, no longer just the static bars. Okay. Well, you can see there, you can see the AMOLED effect on the iPhone camera. Yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so let's go back to modules. You can see download here. You can app because basically, if you guys know Magisk is basically the new Super Sue, the new Expose, yada yada yada. It's great, right? It's basically Expose and Super Sue having, you know, they get married and having kids. This is Magisk. So after you install Magisk, you know, I will show you kind of how to do it. I think I have the files here. You have to go to settings on the app and enable super user access. And then you can also use root apps, such as I have this firewall here. If you guys want me to link this firewall, I put it in the description. This is a great firewall here. It can block itself. So if you guys don't know what firewall is, so you can actually, you know, you have those little launcher or games that you have to pay for specific type of money, which is don't really want to kind of pay with the money and to block ads and all that because access internet. Well, with this app, you know, the Android firewall, you can go to here mode, you can go to blacklist, you can apply rules, and you can also example I don't want, you can see for some reason. Let's see where's Instagram here. Let's see, you can see here, maybe go to Instagram. Okay, so you can see it Instagram, you know, they access the internet, but after I block it with this little app, man, this app actually is pretty useful. Alright, let me know in the comments if you want me to link this or not. Alright, I got it from a specific person. Alright, I cannot tell you who is it. Alright, so I disable it from Wi-Fi and data. I click apply rules, and let's go back to Instagram. And you can see here, Instagram will not find any internet, it will not find any internet access at all because we block it. That's a pretty nice app. Also, the firewall can also block itself. Okay, let me know in the comments again here if you want me to link this application. Let's apply rules. Alright, and that's pretty much it for Resurrection Remix. Overall, it's pretty great ROM. You know, everything works fine. 3G works fine. If you have the LTE model, the Sereno text. This is the Sereno 3G XX here. Can we find it here? Yeah, you can see there the Sereno 3G XX. Alright, so this the 3G model. The LTE one, the Sereno text. Overall, normal Android Oreo features. You know, the picture-in-picture. Let's see here. What feature can I show you real quick here? Okay, so one of the major features in Android 8.1 here, one of like noticeably, I guess. So simply I get a black wallpaper here. So let me change the wallpaper. Let me change it to this stock Nexus wallpaper, and we'll click set wallpaper. Set it as home screen. Now you can see for now here, you can see this is my wallpaper. It's dark, and this the drop down menu is also dark in here. Now we're gonna change the wallpaper again here. Let's go to the Nexus, this one, set wallpaper and home screen. Okay, we're gonna wait for it to apply. Okay, the wallpaper is applied. Now when I drop down here, you can see everything is turned white automatically. This is new one, at least one of the noticeably features of Android 8.1. Other than that, of course, like background, like bug fixes and all that, but this is at least the most noticeable one. So that's it, and that is Android 8.1 on the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini, the Sereno 3G, and the Resurrection Remix 6.00. And this is the unofficial build, but I can guarantee you this thing works nice. Alright, this thing runs amazing. And yeah, if you want to install it, if you want to try Android 8.1, then here you go. The great ROM, that Google Play services still work, as you can see here. To this one, no, you can see there on install level. You can see there I can install games without saying your device is not compatible. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching this quick little video. Peace out.